Ulampang king dorbar tawan kejela uthamas e sangma hanek sngi habai kren halor kamat kabaidei bat kajing sha sospon jong u MLA ke VPP uba Adelbert Nongrum ulai thu ba Nagaland jong u udang bishar habaidei bat kani hanrei Nagaland ulampang ulapan pau ba uniu MLA kanot silong uklampa ya kani kajing tho kum u MLA uba Adelbert uba yang persya ya kani ka hukum suspend kabalapa syau kum u Adelbert Nongrum chayau silong kam samlak deu ya kakardan MLA ke jong u ulai saidru ba kani kala banlam sya kajing kulmar jingmot namar kila bandon ru kiwei kibriu ke bandon ya keju ke kerteng batsa hajayau uba Adelbert ula banjur ba udei unong mikman balajit ke pajba katkum kariti sensyar Nagaland ulampang ulai thuru ba Nagaland ke jungu ula pai kini ke kam sya katanat ain batsa u advocate general jo kejela bakin syong bishar warla utama sangma ukubur ba ula bandon kibriu kiba menjur ya kejing peninia uba Adelbert hanrei ulapan paupat ba kani ka hukum suspend hapo kaying kasri kala ban jabu jingkeli namar kam semala batai syai ya ka kerdan ka ba ubat ulampang ulong ba ngamtip hanrei kidon kibriu kibala ba menjur bat uba Adelbert namar ka hukum suspend ya u klaim dapan pau ya u kum MLA kala banam yang hakmat jong ka an
ba Adelbert and I've also received a complaint from ba Adelbert regarding his suspension from the Voice of the People's Party. His suspension order was just addressed as Mr. Adelbert Nongrum, Jayob Silong. No mention of MLA or anything. So his contention is that there could be many other Adelbert Nongrums living in Jayob. So it is not addressed, his suspension order is not addressed to him as MLA, whereas he is still elected member, elected constitutionally by his people. So he said, if you can take consideration to my prayer and not accept my suspension order. But I'm still examining it, and I have referred it to the legal department and also to the Advocate General of our state.
So, if
I somewhat agree with Mr. Adelbert Nongrum also, because that his suspension order without mentioning him as MLA or without addressing him as MLA may not carry in the court of law. So that's why technically it seems very vague.
As it stands, so you have the suspension.
No, this is suspension is only brought to my notice. It is not a question of whether I should accept or not.
So when was the suspension?
Quite some time back. I don't remember the exact date. Maybe 1 month or 1.5 months back. I'm not very sure. I don't have the copy with me right now. So, but the copy of letter has been received by this office.